Carnivorous plant, sometimes called insectivorous plant. Any plant especially adapted for capturing and digesting insects and other animals by means of ingenious pitfalls and traps. Carnivory in plants has evolved independently about 6 times across several families and orders. The more than 600 known species of carnivorous plants constitute a very diverse group, in some cases having little more in common than their carnivorous habit. Trap types and digestion. The conspicuous trapping mechanism, which is always a modified leaf, draws special attention to these plants. A variety of trapping mechanisms exist and are designated as active or passive based on whether they move to capture prey. Pitfall traps, such as those found in pitcher plants, are among the most common types of traps and employ a hollow, lidded leaf filled with liquid to passively collect and digest prey. Flypaper traps can be active or passive and rely on sticky mucilage, either directly on the leaf surface, butterworts, or on gland tip tears, sundews, to capture prey. Snap traps, such as those of the Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula, use rapid leaf movements to actively ensnare insects. Bladder traps are only found in bladderwort plants, genus Utricularia, and actively suck in small organisms using a partial vacuum. Lobster pot traps, found predominantly in corkscrew plants, genus Genlissae, employ downward-pointing hairs to force prey deeper into the trap. On the whole, carnivorous plants are relatively small, but size variation is enormous even within the same genus. The majority are herbaceous perennials less than 30 cm, 1 foot, high, often only 10 to 15 cm, 4 to 6 inches. Some species of Nepenthes, however, become large shrubby vines. Drosera species vary from a few centimeters to 1 meter, 3 feet, or more in height. D. gigantea, the smallest, are often hidden among the moss of a sphagnum bog. Major families. The largest carnivorous plant family, Lentibulariaceae, order Lamiales, is marked by bilaterally symmetrical flowers with fused petals and only 2 anthers. This family has a fairly cosmopolitan distribution and comprises more than 300 species in 3 genera, the bladderworts, Utricularia, about 220 species, the butterworts, Pinguicula, about 80 species, and the corkscrew plants, Genlissae, about 22 species. Employing a variety of trapping mechanisms, members of that family are predominantly herbs of wet or aquatic habitats and prey on insects and other invertebrates. The family Droseraceae, order Caryophyllales, comprises 3 genera and about 154 species, nearly all of which are sundews, genus Drosera. The aquatic genus Aldrovanda contains only 1 species, the water wheel plant, A. vesiculosa, which is sometimes grown in aquaria as a curiosity.